Microbes in production of biogas. Biogas is nothing but mixture of gases, and this is used as a fuel. It is a very clean fuel instead of burning cow dungs which created lots of air pollution. This is a very clean fuel. Let us understand the mechanism of production of biogas. Whenever anaerobic bacteria is grown on cellulose, it produces these gases, which is methane, carbon dioxide and hydrogen, which is known as biogas. These category of bacteria is also known as methanogens, and one of the bacteria is methanobacterium. Let us understand through diagram what is or how is a biogas plant. It is made up of a concrete tank which is 10 to 15 feet deep with an inlet through which bio-waste and dung slurry is pumped in. This dung slurry is covered with a floating cover. This floating cover keeps on rising as the gas forms, and on the outlet pipes are connected which connects the houses nearby so that this biogas is supplied. This can be used for cooking and lighting purposes. IARI is responsible for usage of biogas in rural areas. Microbes as biocontrol agents. Microbes as biocontrol agents are the agents or biological methods to control plant and animal diseases. The use initially in conventional farming, we use insecticides, pesticides, herbicides, weedicides. All these are chemicals, and these chemicals they lead to biomagnification, as well as these chemicals are passed on to the trophic level in the food chain so that their toxicity is imparted to other undesired targets also. So, to control this, we do organic farming. Organic farmer believes in ethical thinking, that is, yes, pathogens infect and destroy the crop, but they are also somewhere needed and are responsible for the ecological balance of an ecosystem. So instead of killing them through chemicals and imparting toxicity, we use microbes to stop them. BT is a classical example of the same. Bacillus thuringiensis. It is used to avoid or to stop and check butterfly caterpillars. It is available as dried spores in sachets. It is to be mixed with water and then sprinkled. Similarly, fungi and bacillovirus can also be used. Fungi lives in root ecosystem and bacillovirus attacks certain insects and pathogens. So, when we use microbes as biocontrol agents, we believe in ethical thinking, we promote organic farming, and we say no to use of chemicals.